Do you know which is the fastest growing industry in India as on date? It is the healthcare industry. If we talk about the compounded annual growth rate of Indian healthcare industry, it is about 17%. No other industry can even think of having CAGR 10% or more. Like in 2017, the turnover of healthcare industry, the revenue of healthcare industry was 160 billion US dollar, and whereas in 2020 it has grown up to 280 billion US dollar. It is a huge. And if we talk about the FDI inflow in Indian market, foreign direct investment of money in different industry, it is the highest in drug and pharmaceutical industry. And by 2019, total FDI inflow was 14,000 billion US dollar in healthcare industry. Is a huge. And if we talk about the employment by sector, the 4% people of total employment in India working in healthcare industries. If we talk about another industry which is very much connected with healthcare industry, that is health insurance industry, the CAGR of health insurance industry is 22%. 2017 total premium collected in Indian market by health insurance industry was 6 billion US dollar, and in 2020 it has reached 10 billion US dollar. This is a huge. In healthcare industries, there are two part actually. One is the private sector, another is the public sector. Okay, now in private sector, though the cost is much higher, on an average 3 to 4 times than the public sector, the government sector, but still people are preferring to get treated from this private sector. And if we talk about the number of professional doctor as on date in India, it is more than 8 lakhs doctors and 15,000 big hospitals in India. I'm not counting the local nursing home and all these things. And there is one big opportunity is still there, or you can say there is a big opportunity of business. That is, in India as on date, 85% people doesn't have health insurance policy. People even don't know about that. Many people don't, even qualified and educated people. Some people may know a little bit, but they're not taking it. So there is a, in future it will be a much growing sector, this health insurance industries in India. And but there is a lot of lack from government side in healthcare industry. Like total budget of Indian healthcare industry is even it is just 60% than the small country of Bangladesh budget, and healthcare budget of China is 3 times than India. So Indian government needs to do a lot on healthcare industries actually. If I summarize how big is the healthcare industry in very short, so turnover of Indian healthcare industry is currently 300 billion US dollar with a CAGR 17%, and it contributing 5% of Indian GDP, and employment by healthcare sector in India is a 4%, and health insurance industry's premium collected by 2020 close to 10 billion US dollar. There are more than 8 lakhs practicing doctor in India, 15,000 big hospitals in India, 10 lakhs 75,000 hospital beds in India, and 8.5 lakhs nurses are working, professional nurses, more than 180 medical colleges, 3.5 lakhs retail branded pharmacies, and 18,000 new doctors are passing out every year to join these healthcare industries. So this is the largest industries in India with the fastest growing rate actually. Thank you so much.